Students, today we will continue with the classification of anti-malarial drugs, and the second class is the 8 aminocunolines. These 8 aminocunolines are basically the tissue schizontocydal class of drugs and having good anti-malarial activity. This is the basic structure of these class of drug. This is the quinoline moiety, and as the name suggests, at 8 amino. So at 8th position there is an amino substituent present in this class of drugs. The first class in this category is the primaquine, then second is palmaquine, and the third example is the pentaquine. So primaquine is mainly the basic drug of this class, is having a substituent having after this NH, it is having R substituent CH, and to which it is having CH3, then CH2, CH2, CH2. So this is the first carbon, this is second, third and fourth, as whole thrice is there, and then one more amino group. Then in palmaquine class, palmaquine drug, it is having CH3, then again the same, but at nitrogen 2H are replaced with the 2-ethyl group. Then in the third pentaquine, there is a straight chain of 5 carbon atoms, and after that amino is attached with the CH, CH3 and CH3 in this pentaquine. Now one more thing which is present in all the drugs of this category is the at 6th position there is a methoxy group present to this quinoline moiety, and this makes it high therapeutic index due to this methoxy group. And if this methoxy group is present at 2nd or at 5th position, that increases its therapeutic index, which we will be discussing in SAR also when we will see the SAR of this class of quinolines. And this is the basic thing which increases the therapeutic index of the drug. And this primary, secondary or tertiary nitrogen at this position can also increase the activity. Now these are the classes, and this is the prototype drug of the class. So if we can see one name for this, and at 8th position, if we take the quinoline as a parent molecule, this quinoline moiety, then at 8th position there is 4 amino. If we split this, so 4 amino, at the 4th there is amino group present, so 4 amino, and at the 1st position there is methyl group present, and this whole will be called as butyl and amino. This is the amino which is attached at the 8th. So here it will end, and to this quinoline moiety there is at the 6th position methoxy group present. So 6 methoxy quinoline. This is the name of one of the prototype drug. Now the next class is 9 aminoacridines. So as the name suggests, there will be a acridine moiety present in all the drugs in this category. They are basically blood schizontocidal for showing the antimalarial action. This is the basic structure, and these 3 fused molecules make the acridine moiety. These 2 are benzene and this is pyridine, which makes, when fused, are called as acridines. Now to this acridine, as the name suggests, at 9th position there is a amino substituent. This is amino at 9th, and there is R group, which are different in different drugs. So and at the 6th position there is chloro group present, and at 2nd position there is methoxy group present in this particular 9 aminoacridine class. Now if we see the example, first example is quinacrine, which is also known as mapacrine. This is the prototype drug of this class, and then second one is acriquine, third is acridine. These are the substituents with the amino, 9 amino, which are present in the drugs. So first in the quinacrine or mapacrine there is CH, same as it was here in the class, and at the 4th carbon it is having NN diethyl group. Now in this acriquine there is no methyl group present, but as a chain of 4 carbon atoms, then NN diethyl, and then acridine there is 3 carbon chain and then NN diethyl. And let us see one of the name of the category of this class. These are basically having acridine moiety. So acridine are basically used in dyes and having some toxic action. So they are not preferred class of drug. They are given only when there is some parasite which is resistant to other drugs. So at that position we prefer this mapacrine. Otherwise it is toxic and it is not used right now in the market. Now, if we try to name one of the main drug of this class, that is quinacrinos mepacreme, and we take the parent as diamine. So, on this 9th position, amino substituent I have written elaborated here, and this is the substituent present on 9th carbon. So, at 9th position there is CH, then there are chain of the CH, CH3, then 4 CH2 are present, then N diethyl. So, if we start numbering and we name this as a parent and we end the name by this molecule, then there is at if we number this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the longest chain. At 4th position there is amine, and at 4th position there is amine substituent which is having N diethyl. So, it will be diamine 1,4-diamine with having 1 N diethyl group. So, that will be the end of the naming 1N diethyl, and this chain is having 5 carbon atoms. So, pentane 1,4-diamine. This will be the ending of the name. But to this whole, this acridine moiety is attached, that will be named. How it will be named? This acridine is attached to the 4th carbon of this parent. So, 4th, it will be written as 4N 6-chloro-2-methoxy acridine, and to which it is attached? It is attached from 9. So, 9-yl, then the ending 1N diethyl, pentane 1,4-diamine will be its name. Similarly, we can name these two other examples of this class of drugs.